Hello guys, this is Vicky. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video. I'm here at Geevangee Gardens, one of the oldest gardens we have here in Nairobi. It's actually like over 100 years old. So this is one of the gardens in the Nairobi Central Business District, and there is a lot of work that is being done here. Renovation of the garden. As you can see, a perimeter wall is being erected just to enhance security. This landscaping that is going on and the beautification of the place, planting of flowers and trees. Sidewalks are also being renovated, and the work progress is so amazing. Geevangee Gardens is one of the iconic gardens here in Nairobi, because when it comes to politics, this is where people come to discuss about the politics of Kenya. You can see a lot of people in groups. They usually discuss politics at this particular place, and it is recognized by politicians and some of the Kenyans who come here to discuss. So the work progress is so amazing, as you can see. Actually, NMS is doing a job here at Geevangee Gardens, and we congratulate the general body who is doing the amazing beautification and renovation of Geevangee Gardens. You can see the sidewalks, the footpath around the garden is so amazing. Let me leave you behind the videos of the work progress of the Geevangee Gardens, and make sure you kindly subscribe to my channel.